Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning. Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are presenting Quest for Win, and this is contest number 2 of History Class 8th. As the teams are familiar with the rules, straightway we are introducing the teams and then we shall be going for the buzzer round. Introduction of the teams. Creative Angels, Priyanshu and Arpit forming up Creative Angels. Intelligent Angels, Mayank and Lucky. Honest Angels, Mohit and Aditya. Very good, honest angels. Hope you all do well. And now we are starting the buzzer round. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. Okay, you may check your buzzers first. Check it. Okay. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And here is question number 1. What do you mean by the term Renaissance? Creative Angels. I'm sorry, you're going to lose 5 marks. The term Renaissance literally means rebirth. The meaning of Renaissance is rebirth. And it is the period in European civilization. Okay? So, let's go for the second question. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. Question number 2. When were 3 Charter Acts passed? It is the Creative Angels. Creative Angels. 1813, 1833 and 1853 is the correct answer. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. And last question coming up. And the question for you is, ready? Hands on buzzer. Question number 3. Ready? Question is, who was called Tiger of Mysore? Come on teams. 15 seconds only. Time is passing. Time and tide wait for none. Come on. Think. Discuss. Deliberate and time is up. It was Tipu Sultan. So, with this, we have completed the buzzer round, and after the completion of the buzzer round, the scores are, well, we are starting the regulation round. I'll be starting with you, Creative Angels. Your question is, the European traders who came to India were lured by the trade in A. Gems, B. Spices, C. Textile, D. None of these. Spices is correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. Question for you, intelligent angels. The Governor General introduced the system of subsidiary alliance was A. Robert Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Wellesley, D. None of these.
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings is not correct. Passes to you. Lord Wellesley. See, you could not pronounce even the name properly. You cannot be given marks. You will get half mark. That is 3 marks instead of 5. And question for you. The French set up a factory at A. Pondicherry, B. Calcutta, C. Madras, D. Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai is not correct. Passes to you. Pondicherry is correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. The second round, I'll be starting with you, honest angels. And question for you is, who was the first Governor General of India? A. Warren Hastings, B. Robert Clive, C. Charles Napier, D. Lord Wellesley. Come on, 15 seconds.
Warren Hastings.
Warren,
Hensley.
this time I will not give you marks. Every time you are just speaking some word or the other. Passes to you.
Warren Hastings.
It is Warren Hastings. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. And question for you, intelligent angels. The Nawab of Awadh, who supported Mir Qasim in the Battle of Buxar, was A. Shaukat Jung, B. Shujauddollah, C. Hyder Ali, D. Mir Jafar.
Shujauddollah.
Shujauddollah, how sure are you? 100%. Correct. You get 100% marks. Question for you. Which of the following is not a source of history? A. Autobiographies, B. Diaries, C. Conversations, D. All. Conversations is correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. With this, we have completed the regulation round, and after the regulation round, the scores are the rapid fire round. I'll start with you, creative angels. 6 questions, 60 seconds, 18 marks to be grabbed. Timekeeper ma'am is ready. You are ready? Your time starts now. The Indian system of law was fully codified in 1873 by the Indian System of Law Commission under Lord Wellesley. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree is not correct. The Charter Act was passed in the year 1853 with a council of 7 members. Is it true or false? True is not correct. The Parda system was also prevalent in most of the southern parts of India? Is it straight or googly? Is not correct. The American War of Independence resulted in the loss of 13 American colonies. Am I serious or joking? Is correct. Which Afghan chief looted India extremely? Is correct. 2 correct. 3 to the 6 added to your tally. Intelligent angels. Six questions, 60 seconds, and your time starts now. From 1774 to 1793, the French and the English fought for the control of trade and the territories of India. Am I serious or joking?
Yes.
No, I'm joking. In 1752, the first Carnatic War broke out in Europe between France and England. Straight or googly? Is correct. Sir Thomas Roe got the permission from the Mughal Emperor to establish their first factory in Bengal. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Is not correct. Goa became free from the Portuguese in, you have to tell me the year. Goa became free from the Portuguese in the year, well, it was 1961. So 2 correct, 3 to just 6. Sorry, 1 correct. 3 added to your tally. And now it is your turn. Honest angels. Ready? Timekeeper ma'am, ready? Your time starts now. Lord Clive introduced the dual system of government in Surat. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? In 1772, Narayan Rao became the Peshwa of Maratha Empire. True or false?
False.
Is not correct. In the 17th century, British settlement at Madras, Bombay and Calcutta became the centers of trade. Straight or googly?
Googly.
Is correct. In 1817, James Mill published a book titled, the title of the book, Lord Mountbatten was the last viceroy of India. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Serious is correct. 3 correct. 3 3s are 9 added to your tally. With this, we have concluded this contest. It was a well fought contest, and even if some of the teams have not done well, we are only halfway of this competition. You can do better in the next rounds, and thank you for entertaining us so knowledgefully. While departing, we shall have an eye on the scoreboard.